How to use business credit to buy real estate. Yes, it is true. You literally can buy real estate using business credit. It's not something that a lot of people know about, but as a multi-millionaire real estate entrepreneur, I can tell you exactly how to use business credit to buy real estate and even grow your wealth. I'm going to share all the secrets in this video. Let's go.
Noel. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, all you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that. Yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
In this video, I'm going to share with you a simple step-by-step process to buying houses with business credit. I'm going to share with you 3 easy ways to get it done in the next 30 days. And I'm going to share with you a hidden secret to getting approved for 100% financing. There are so many benefits to business credit. You literally can use business credit to buy houses, to buy inventory, to buy apparel, but buying real estate can be one of the best things that you do with business credit. There are so many benefits to business credit because you get to set up a separate credit profile that is in your business's name, that is separate from you and your social security number. This will allow you to actually borrow money in your business's name. And in many cases, you don't even have to use your social security number. You literally set up a business credit profile. It reports to the business credit bureaus, and it does not report on your personal credit report or allow you to use your social security number. You'll actually use your EIN, which stands for Employer Identification Number, or your DUNS number, depending on who you're applying with. So this is a very simple process that will allow you to protect your personal credit, actually let you separate your personal expenses from your business expenses, and literally allow you to borrow more money. Lenders are actually willing to lend more money to businesses because they know that businesses will use those funds to grow the business. Either they will hire people, they will buy real estate, they will do things that actually increase the economy and help us overall. Additionally, you can actually borrow more money in your business's name. Your personal credit was never designed to finance your business. So therefore, if you get business credit, when you get business funding, you actually get approved for higher amounts. And again, you can grow your business faster and have a more stable business. Most business owners complain that they don't have enough capital to keep their businesses going, and that's because a lot of small businesses do not actually set up business credit, and they don't get business funding in their business's name, and they rely on their own personal savings and their own personal credit in order to fund their business. But doing this will not only allow you to borrow in your business's name, you literally can buy houses and real estate using business credit. Let me get to that part.
I'm trying to get to 1 million subscribers and I need your help. Subscribe to my channel and help me get to 1 million. Let's go.
Real estate is an amazing investment, especially when you combine it with business credit. Because real estate is the #1 way to wealth, it is an amazing thing to be able to do, especially if you don't have to use your own social security number to get it done. You literally get to reap the benefits of real estate without having to sacrifice or risk your own personal credit. Real estate offers 3 major things, and that is why it is one of the best investments, and more than 89% of all millionaires have been created so through real estate because of these 3 things. The first one is cash flow. When you have real estate, you actually have the ability to make cash flow every single month, and in some cases every single day or every week, depending on what you are doing with that piece of real estate. Additionally, any money that you put down on your real estate is equity. Equity that you have in the real estate that increases your personal wealth, that is an asset that you can leverage, you can actually borrow money against, you can refinance, you can use as collateral for other loans and get more funding. You actually have equity that you can use in order to get even more cash for your business. And then last but not least, we all know that real estate goes up in value over time. This is called appreciation. Appreciation is one of the major things as to why real estate is one of the best investments. Statistically speaking, real estate is going to go up in value over time. So if you buy a property in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, even 4 or 5 years, you can sell it and make a lot more money than what you paid for it. So not only do you have the ability to have someone else paying down that mortgage, you get the benefit of it going up in value over time, and that makes you even more wealthy. And this is why real estate has created so many millionaires. Okay, let's talk about how we combine those 2 and use business credit to get real estate. There are 3 easy ways to get business credit. I've created an entire playlist on business credit, and you can watch that entire playlist right here on YouTube. But let's talk about this. There are 3 really easy ways that you can get business credit and business funding without having to do a lot. The first thing that you can do is open up a business checking account. Literally, once you have your business established, meaning just an LLC, an S Corp, C Corp, an EIN, and a website, you literally can walk into a bank and actually open up a business checking account. And in many cases, they will offer you a business credit card, a business loan, or a business line of credit right there on the spot when you open that business checking account. There are so many banks that does this. Now, of course, there are big banks like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Chase that will allow you to do this, especially if you have good credit. But if you have just decent credit, you can go to banks like PNC, Regions Bank, Truist Bank, and a whole slew of other lenders that will lend to you even as a startup. You literally can open up a business checking account and walk away with business funding that same day. Let me keep going. The number 2 easy thing that you can do is get merchant processing. You literally, once you have a business, just an LLC, S Corp, C Corp, and an EIN and a website, you can go to sites like PayPal, Square, Stripe, or even QuickBooks and set up your merchant processing accounts. This will allow you to accept credit cards in your business, but more importantly, they offer working capital loans. All of those companies that I named, PayPal, Square, Stripe, QuickBooks, they all offer working capital loans. And once you start getting credit cards into your business, after literally like even 2 or 3 months, I have students getting offers for $10,000, $25,000, $50,000, even $100,000 in business funding for their business. This is an easy way to grow your business because you can use that to buy real estate, of course, or you can use it as reserves and have capital for your business in case your income in your business dips down, you can stay in business. And last but not least, you can build a business credit profile and go through a simple process. You can get a DUNS number, which stands for Dun & Bradstreet, and that's DUNS. You can go to dnb.com and get your DUNS number. This will allow you to actually set up a credit profile with Dun & Bradstreet. Then you can start getting vendor credit from places like Uline, Granger, and Quill. Those accounts will report to Dun & Bradstreet's website, and then you can get store credit cards and then cash credit cards. It's a simple process, especially if you have very bad credit. You can easily build a business credit profile and start getting business funding in just a matter of weeks. This will not take you years to do. Again, I have made an entire playlist where I teach you all of how to build business credit through Dun & Bradstreet. Just make sure you watch that entire playlist right here, absolutely free on YouTube. Let me keep going because I have an amazing secret that I need to share with you. Once you have even just a business credit card, a business line of credit, or a business loan, you can combine that with a business real estate loan. In many cases, we will call them DSCR loans, which stands for Debt Service Coverage Ratio, meaning as long as the property cash flow and makes enough money to cover the mortgage, in many cases you will be approved and you do not need perfect credit and you do not have to show your tax returns, your pay stubs, or your W-2 to get qualified. You literally can go to newlending.com and apply for a DSCR loan and start buying investment properties. And like I said, you literally can use business loans, business lines of credit, business credit cards as the down payment so that you can get 100% financing. This way you don't have to use any of your own money. You can actually get a mortgage for your investment properties in your business's name and use your business funding as the down payment to get 100% financing. And again, you don't have to show your tax returns, pay stubs, or W-2s or anything like that in order to get approved for these loans. Again, if you want to look into this, go to newlending.com and click the button that says apply now. It's not going to pull your credit or anything like that. You just let them know that you are interested in this type of loan and you want to start buying investment properties, and we can help you get approved for those loans and even help you get business credit and business funding so that you can get 100% financing and not have to use any of your money in order to start buying rental properties. If you are ready to learn all about real estate and you want to do it for free, just cover the shipping, I have written 4 books that you can get absolutely free that will teach you everything about buying real estate with no money, no credit, and how to use business credit and business funding with my book, Millionaire Business Secrets. You'll also get real estate millionaire secrets, B&B millionaire secrets, and even Toro millionaire secrets. Once you start getting your rental properties, it is very profitable to start a rental car company. These 4 books are available for free. You just cover the shipping. Go to noellsbookoffer.com and get all 4 of these books absolutely free. You just cover the shipping, and they always come with a free gift. Go to noellsbookoffer.com right now because supplies are limited, and once they're gone, they're gone. That's noellsbookoffer.com. Noelle with an S, book, BOOK, offer, OFFER.com. All 4 of my best-selling books absolutely free. You just cover the shipping while supplies last. Go now. I just want to make sure that you have all of the resources, all of the tools, and all of the knowledge that you need to be successful. This is Noelle. To your success.